Let's now use SEMrush to find a bunch of buyer keywords related to watches. I am now logged into SEMrush. Let's now get a list of buyer keywords related to watches that Amazon.com is ranking for. Let's get the domain overview report on Amazon.com. We will now take a look at all of the buyer keywords the site is ranking for in Google. Let me now set the filters. The first one will filter words that contain the phrase best watch. The other two filters will show us keywords that have a search volume between 80 and 500. These are usually the easier keywords in the niche. Here's the list. There are about 475 keywords in this list. That's too many. The ones that are ranking in the top 10 or 20 are the easiest keywords to target. So let me add another filter and see which ones are ranking in the top 20. And here is a new list. Let's make a list of these keywords. We will check the keyword difficulty scores of these keywords later using either Keyword Revealer or Keyword Finder. In the next video, we will estimate the keyword difficulty scores of a few of these keywords. In the previous video, we found a bunch of buyer keywords from Amazon.com. Let's now estimate the keyword difficulty scores of each of these keywords. This is the list we exported. I have deleted columns that were not needed. Let's now look at each of these keywords in this list and eliminate those we do not need or are duplicates. Let me sort this list. There are a few duplicates here. I will pause the video while I remove the duplicates. I have removed duplicates and those that were not very relevant, and we now have a list of 42 keywords. Now, a word about these keywords like best watch under $50. If you are going to be having these type of keywords on your site, then you would want to make sure every product you feature on the page is less than $50 all the time. If one of the product's price increases beyond $50 and you do not remove the product from your page, then the information on your page will be factually incorrect, and Amazon might not like that. I'm not saying you should not have such pages on your sites. I do have such pages on my sites. All that I'm saying is these require constant monitoring. If you are not willing to do that, then it might be good not to have such pages on your site. So let me remove these kind of keywords, since not everyone will be willing to put in that kind of care into maintaining their sites. We now have a list of 34 keywords. We will now estimate the keyword difficulty scores of a few of these using Keyword Revealer. I am now logged into Keyword Revealer. Keyword Revealer has recently changed their interface. To estimate the keyword difficulty of a phrase, you will need to push the button here, Add New Search, and enter the keyword in this text box at the top of this dialog box. Let's estimate the keyword difficulty of this phrase, best watch winders. It takes a while to do the number crunching. In the list that appears after it's done with the processing, you will need to search for the keyword you input. To do that, you will need to click on the filter button again and enter the keyword you ran the search for. Let's evaluate the keyword difficulty of this keyword. The difficulty score is 19, which means this is an easy keyword. Let's look at the top 10 results. There's a DA3 site with 0 backlinks ranking in the top 10, which means this certainly is an easy keyword. Let's look at the site. This is an Amazon affiliate site, which is another positive sign. Likewise, we will need to estimate the keyword difficulty scores of the rest of the keywords in our list. In the previous video, we saw how to estimate keyword difficulty of these keywords using Keyword Revealer. This spreadsheet has been updated with the difficulty scores for each keyword pulled from Keyword Revealer. We are looking for keywords with a difficulty score of less than or equal to 25 as per Keyword Revealer. The list has been sorted in ascending order of difficulty score now, and we have a list of 18 keywords that meet our criteria. You could also use Keyword Finder to estimate keyword difficulty. In some ways, this tool is faster than Keyword Revealer, but it's also a bit more expensive. It can also save you quite a bit of time, as this tool stores the keyword difficulty scores it computes in a database and pulls that data from the database instead of computing it every time a phrase is searched for. You do not have to use both Keyword Finder and Keyword Revealer. You could use either one of these. Both are used here only for illustration. Let's see how to use this tool. Let me log in. Let me enter the keyword Best Watchfinders in this text box here and click Find Keywords. It hardly takes any time to report the results. As you can see, the keyword difficulty according to this tool is 27. There will always be a difference between keyword difficulty scores reported by various tools, and there is no one-to-one correspondence between the keyword difficulty scores reported by Keyword Finder and Keyword Revealer. What you would want to remember, however, is that if you are going to be using Keyword Finder, you would want to look for keywords that have a difficulty score of 30 or lower. Those would be easy to rank for. If you find keywords with a keyword difficulty score less than 25, those could be considered very easy to rank for. We have already analyzed the top 10 results for this keyword using Keyword Revealer. This tool also has this feature, Open in SERP Checker. If you click on this button, it will provide more metrics about the sites in the top 10. But I do not use this much, as sometimes I have found that TrustFlow scores reported here are not always accurate. Now,